I am so thrilled you're tuning in today because we are tracking a massive breaking development in the creator economy. Straight from the tech headlines, Meta just announced the rollout of a brand new, highly personalized AI creator assistant right on Facebook. We're taking a newsroom approach today to break down exactly what this tool is, how it actually works, and the huge implications it's going to have for the future of content creation. Let's dive in.
Here's the big headline hook. Meta is fundamentally changing how creators interact with their own data. They're bringing conversational AI directly into the Facebook creator dashboard. If you've ever managed a page, you know the absolute struggle of parsing through those confusing analytics charts just to figure out what's working. Well, that era, it's fading. Meta is shifting the whole paradigm from staring at spreadsheets to just having a natural conversation with an AI that already knows your account inside and out.
Section 1. The new creator assistant rolling out on Facebook. Let's look at the features of this highly personalized AI. To really understand how powerful this is, look at the inputs feeding the AI here. This is definitely not some generic chatbot. It actively analyzes your unique content style, your historical performance data, your specific community engagement, and your overarching creator goals. It processes all of these inputs in real time to give you targeted, actionable advice. It's literally like having a bespoke data analyst sitting right there on your dashboard. Now, as for availability, reporting on the ground right now shows this is an initial rollout. So currently the assistant is going live for creators in the United States, Canada, and India. But Meta's roadmap doesn't stop there. They've explicitly stated they plan to add new capabilities and expand this rollout to a lot more countries in the near future.
Section 2. Inside the AI Toolkit, unlocking new possibilities. Let's move right into the practical applications and see exactly what this looks like for a creator in the trenches.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the stark contrast between the tedious old way of doing things and this sleek new workflow. On the left, the old workflow was all about parsing complex charts and manually trying to spot trends. But the new workflow? Quick, in-app, direct answers. Before, you'd probably have to export your data, switch apps, and load it into a tool like ChatGPT just to make sense of it. Now, you've got conversational AI with follow-ups natively built in. It completely removes that friction.
To show you a direct creator use case, imagine typing this exact prompt, "When should I post?" Instead of guessing based on an engagement graph from last week, and let's be honest, we all just kind of guess sometimes, the AI instantly provides the optimal time based on your specific audience's active hours. The utility is just immediate. Here's another incredibly practical prompt you can use. What are people saying in my comments? Imagine you have a viral hit with thousands of comments. Instead of scrolling endlessly for hours just to gauge the reaction, the AI instantly summarizes the community sentiment for you. It tells you exactly what your audience is feeling, saving you massive amounts of time. And because this whole interface is conversational, you aren't limited to one-off questions. You can actually dig deeper. You can ask follow-up questions to see how audience demographics or interests have shifted over time. The assistant will then give you specific advice on what you can do differently to improve your performance based on those long-term shifts. It's incredibly dynamic. But hey, this tool isn't just a rearview mirror for analyzing past performance. It's an active engine for content ideation. The assistant actually draws on current network trends to help you brainstorm. It can identify trending audio tracks for you to use, spot cultural moments happening right now on the platform, and then use those elements to actively brainstorm fresh content with you. It really is your new creative partner.
Section 3. Breaking language barriers, AI translation expansion. Let's pivot to our next major headline today. Meta is aggressively expanding its AI translations for Reels to help creators go global, officially adding a slate of new languages: Arabic, Bahasa Indonesian, French, Thai, and Vietnamese. And what makes this so compelling is that the AI doesn't just slap basic translated subtitles on your video. No, it magically preserves your original tone and your actual voice while automatically translating the speech. You sound exactly like you, just speaking perfectly in Thai or French.
And the tech actually goes one huge step further. There is a lip sync feature that perfectly aligns that new AI-translated audio with your natural lip movements. This specific dubbing technology makes the viewing experience completely seamless and incredibly natural for audiences around the world. It basically removes that jarring disconnect we usually associate with dubbed content.
To really grasp the scale of this feature, look at this dramatic data splash. 500 million. That's over 500 million Facebook users watching AI-translated videos every single week. To put that into perspective, that is way more than the entire population of the United States. The sheer volume of cross-border, cross-language content consumption happening right now on Meta's platform is just staggering.
Section 4, Meta's ultimate endgame, the business strategy. Let's pull back to the business desk to analyze the macroeconomic strategy driving these rapid AI rollouts.
This side-by-side comparison reveals a major piece of the macro puzzle. It is absolutely a battle of third-party tools versus the Meta ecosystem. By building this highly capable AI assistant directly into the app, a core goal here is to stop creators from leaving Facebook to brainstorm or analyze data with outside tools like ChatGPT. They want to provide literally everything you need right there in the dashboard, keeping you completely locked into Meta's ecosystem.
So, the crucial point is mapped out perfectly right here. Why give away a powerful AI assistant entirely for free? Because offering creators a bottomless well of free content ideas leads to more frequent posting, and more posting translates to boosted user engagement, which ultimately builds a protective shield to compete with fierce rivals like TikTok and YouTube. Which brings us to the final, looming question on our news desk today. With rivals innovating just as fast, will this incredibly powerful personalized AI assistant be enough to keep creators loyal to Meta's ecosystem? It is the absolute new battleground of the creator economy, and it's a space we'll certainly continue to watch closely. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep exploring the data. I am so thrilled you're tuning in today because we are tracking a massive breaking development in the creator economy. Straight from the tech headlines, Meta just announced the rollout of a brand new, highly personalized AI creator assistant right on Facebook. We're taking a newsroom approach today to break down exactly what this tool is, how it actually works, and the huge implications it's going to have for the future of content creation.